Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30286. And this is the Creator Christmas Tree. Now, if you are watching this video roughly at the time it gets posted, we aren't too far away from Christmas, so this might be sort of semi-appropriate. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I have been doing these videos for a while, and there's a number of these LEGO Polybags already up. And also, my plan is to continue doing these Polybags one a day for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, please think about subscribing. Also, if you happen to... Ooh, wow. Y'all probably missed me just scattering everything everywhere. If you happen to also enjoy videos about Swiss Army knives and random everyday carry pocket stuff, then you may also want to check out some of my other videos on the channel, because I talk about that kind of stuff as well. So it looks like they're talking about gray wheels, but I'm feeling like they're not. Maybe they are. Oh, I see 4 gray ones. Now we'll give it a shot. See if we don't need the gray ones. The problem I run into with a lot of these instructions is it's hard to tell when they're talking, the difference when they're talking about like gray versus black pieces. Because oftentimes in the instructions, the black pieces will look gray. And I don't exactly know how they sort out which is which. Anyway, so let's see. This one is the little train that's going to end up underneath the tree, I'm guessing. Yeah, this is that. Oh. So, we have a smokestack, which is 2 of these together on the front. And then, well, it's not too bad looking, really. If you're like going for a micro kind of locomotive, like a micro Christmas locomotive, I don't have any big objections to this one. What do you think? That kind of looks like locomotive-esque, doesn't it? And I tell you what it looks like. It looks like one of the things you get on like one of their advent calendars. The little bitty, like super micro builds. I like it. That's kind of cool looking. All right. So anyway, let's get down to making our tree. Okay. So, step 1, base of the tree. Like so. Wow, they just... Alright, so these are all going to be... Okay, let's make sure so I don't forget. We don't have any transparent pieces at all. So it's going to be pink and blue and red and orange. So red, orange. I feel like this is going to be a pattern. Are y'all feeling that? I'm kind of feeling that. Alright, so we distribute these around in kind of a star pattern, or almost a spirally pattern, like so. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so that's the base of our tree. And then we put a block. You know what's kind of interesting about this? If you wanted to, I bet what you could do is you could order a bunch of these little green slopes and some of the other pieces, and you could make like little like table decorations for Christmas. And they'd be super easy to do, and you could kind of like elaborate on them and make them bigger if you wanted to. I want to say there's a 1x4 version of this as opposed to 1x3s. I haven't checked though, but I think there is, and you could probably find those and go with that as well. And so for this one, it's going to be green and yellow. So yellow and green. And red and orange again. Yeah, I guess they like red and orange better. So red, wait, green and yellow, red and orange. Alright, so red and orange. Alright, actually that was orange. So we need a red one. Alright. So but yeah, if you're interested in doing some kind of like table displays, that'd be kinda cool. Alright, so these are offset from the other ones. So it's gonna be like this. Like that. Alright, so those go like that. And these are just off the other way, I guess. Like so. See how it looks. Alright, not looking too bad so far. And then another green 2x2. And then we're going to do the 1x2s. Alright, so let's do all these at once while we're at it. So, blue, yellow, yellow. I'm wondering how they determine the color combination. Yellow, yellow, and an orange, like so. So that's those. And then we need a red, a green, a red and a green, and a blue and a pink. So pink and blue. And this takes care of these. Yeah, this definitely would be an easy way though. If you wanted like some kind of cool Lego table decorations, might be the way to go. Alright, so we offset these from this one. So blue, I guess we just go around like that again. Like so. And like so. So we got that. And then we pop another 2x2 on. And then again, these are going to be offset from the other ones. Like so. Take care of that. And then we pop our final one on top. Like so. And then so we got that. And so next, this and a green one. And we put a star on the front. So this will be the star on the top of our tree. And I'll twist that so it lines up nicely. And the point of our tree. And then this pops on right there in the center. It's actually not too bad of a looking tree. I kind of think it might be a little more interesting if you maybe had like 1x4s, then 1x3s, then 1x2, then, but I don't know. I mean, like, I think you might be able to mess with it, play with it a little bit, and sort of perfect it some, but I'm not like unhappy with it. And then we got our presents. So we have a present with the bow. So that's a present with the bow. And then we have another present with is it supposed to be this? Like the pearl gold. That's supposed to be like the pearl gold. I guess it is. Doesn't look like it. It looks like orange from the instructions. So it's supposed to be offset a little bit. And then we have green and white. And another little offset one. Like so. And lastly, we have this and another flower decoration. Alright. So we have present, 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 and present. And then we have the train, and then we have the tree itself. Kind of neat looking. Definitely Christmassy. And we have a bunch of extra pieces from this. Anyway, I feel like did I miss something somewhere? I don't think I did. No, I didn't miss anything. Alright. Anyway, let me know what you think. Was this a fun idea for maybe for Christmas? Also, if you're interested in any of these if you're interested in this set, there's links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.